I, Damian Desmond, am really in a strange situation right now. Why am I teaching this peasant a lesson?
And I can read your mind.
But isn't she really stupid?
Hey,
Can't she solve the question so easily?
no matter how I think about it, I hate Scion Boy. Scion Boy, we became classmates again. Let's be friends this year. Shouldn't you be friends with me now?
Never. I don't see the need to waste my time with you.
Why do you hate me so much? Were you really rude to me, you know?
Hey, you're still shorty. Why, so when are you going to grow taller? Oh, I didn't remember that you don't grow up at all.
First, take your hand off my head, Scion Boy. Second, I'm still growing up. Third, don't bother me so much.
I think I went too far.
Huh?
Hey, seriously, can you read my mind?
I have been telling you the truth all this time, but you don't believe me. I can read your mind.
So if you can really read my mind, tell me what I'm thinking right now.
Okay. Wah.
Seriously.